Finishing up, right, Greg?
Yeah, finishing up practice here, getting ready to prepare it in. Putting on the wax rain gasket.
These are the last days of working in this house.
Putting on the toilet here if I line this right up.
He's hugging the toilet.
And see if I can get this the first time.
You got it?
Got it. Straighten it up really good. All right, looking really good. Boom! Ah, boy.
You gotta take it back up, huh?
Yes, we do. Oh, that's not good.
What?
Using the extra gasket. Get my hands all messed up here. The gasket I had on there that came with the toilet was not big enough, so use part of another gasket, make myself an extra thick ring gasket. And I'm gonna wipe off my hands, be right back. All right, so now I filled up the toilet, there's no leaks, I'm gonna put on the toilet seat. Make that snug, just the plastic, I don't go too tight on those, I make them really snug and that's it.
First flush. You installed the toilet.
Good.
I'm proud of you. Give me 5.
Good.
Wait, why is it stuck? Oh, it's one of those fancy little slow toilet.
Yes.
Okay.
That. We'll see if it works. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah.
If you know what we've been through.
If you only knew.
Only knew. What? All right, she's in.
Let us tell you what happened. So what happened was, we went to the basement, brought it up. The basement door was 30.5. So it was fine. Then through the kitchen to the little foyer there,
Yeah.
that was 31.5.
Up the stairs is fine.
Upstairs fine.
Turn
This
the
door,
corner.
fine.
Fine.
Get here.
It ain't there.
This is 28 and this is 29.5. We had to remove the trim and then Greg had to cut, what is this called?
2x4.
Cut a 2x4
Yeah.
and now it's in.
So now I ended up replacing this 2x4 at a later time, but we had to do all that fun work just to get this tub in because the client is not turning this. It's not going back to the store, so she said, do what you gotta do to get it in. So
Well, in her
this is what it
defense,
is.
she's had this for months, so she can't return it
Yeah,
now.
she can't return it. So.
Okay.
All right. Now that we have the vanity and the knobs all in, I'm gonna put a bead of silicone right here on the top of the vanity to bond the vanity to the countertop. Okay, so the goal is we're gonna lift it up and over. You're gonna wanna hit the drain work.
Guys, we're almost there. The hardest part was bringing this tub up because we had to break through here. But guys, everything else is upstairs and we have running water because my husband's a boss. And we have a toilet that flushes and that's what matters right now, right baby?
Yeah.
So next time we're here, which will be Monday because today's Friday, he'll be installing the tub and putting all the nice things for the tub and just doing the small things, the small repairs and just the border for the heater, the lights, just the small things that he needs to finish and putting this up so they can take showers. But until then, we are signing off for Friday. We gotta go pick up our kids. Bye.
now we are on the final phase of this bathroom here. And as you see, we've got pretty much everything all wrapping up. Yes! Getting so excited. Valve plates I gotta put back on this. I have the wood trim. We want to clean this up. I like this look between the rock face and the wood trim.
Me too. I love it.
I think it looks really good. So we're gonna try to clean this up and seal it. We also have to finish up the grouting that we have to do. The grout came in, so we want to finish up that grouting, and we want to get this tub in. So we have to do all the plumbing, rough that out, do all the plumbing for the supply, hot and cold supply line, and we've got some little bit of electrical for the. We have the lights we have installed here. We have our mirror that we want to hang. So we got little accents to do. So
wait, you forgot one more thing. Right behind you. You have to fix it.
Oh yeah, so this right here. To get this tub in, as you've seen, we had to take out this 2x4, so we're gonna fix this.
Paint the door.
Paint this door, and then we're going to move on to...
And put in the trim.
Yeah, and we have to install the trim around.
See, I'm the secretary.
She's like my secretary for my brain, you know. Anyways, we gotta install this tub. We wanna get the plumbing done for this, so that's it. We're gonna keep on moving and keep watching because it is coming down to the wire.
Greg is really, really excited. We think this is his bathroom.
I love the final phase stage.
Because you get paid.
No.
Oh my God.
So I put this rag around it so I won't scratch anything.
Babe, just stop it. Oh my God, he's lost it. Put it straight though.
Yeah, hold on. There we go. All right, how's that?
It's good. Greg, what is wrong? Wait, stay right there. That's gonna be my thumbnail.
How's that? My hat.
I'm done.
My hat.
With your eyes closed.
Okay.
That coffee's got to his head.
I think we good. All right, now we've got to install this bad boy.
They put something in your coffee today. I'm ready.
Go ahead.
The shower is like taking forever to get on.
Go ahead. You gotta put on the
Oh, wait a
the
minute.
diverter on.
What the heck? Babe, the shower's not working.
Uh-oh.
This is working. This gives a good hit. Look at it. Touch it.
Don't hit me.
No, I'm saying, look, touch it.
Okay. Then we want this one to come on. That's the issue right there. That's an issue.
It's trickling. Oh.
I'm gonna turn that thing off.
It looks like you peed yourself.
We have an issue. All right,
So Greg is reinstalling after that thing was. Go ahead, babe.
So one mistake that we made is that we did not take this off before blowing the rest of the system out, because all the sediment came right into this aerator. So we had to clean the aerator, got it nice and clean. Now we can install it. But the proper process: take this off, open up the valve like this. Okay, do that first, then install this. So we get that garbage.
Greg, you look like you peed on yourself. Are you okay?
Whatever.
Are you okay?
Whatever.
Oh, that's Greg.
Yeah.
There you go. Is it strong? Oh, it's good. Oh wow, yeah, it's good.
All right, so we're putting up a 4-light fixture. We're gonna make it go from this to this. So now we have the mirror up, and now we're gonna finish up that grouting that we're supposed to do.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? So we're here, we're getting ready to install the freestanding tub faucet that you have here. We're planning on putting it over this hot and cold supply right there. I may have to do some adjustments here, so just in case, I brought some other connectors to see what I'm gonna do there. Other than that, let's get started. Now I'm applying the sealer. Alright guys, this concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. The results were amazing. Look, it's amazing. It's amazing. The tile amazing. Shower head amazing. We got more coming for you next week. We have either a bedroom or either another bathroom.
Well, we want you guys to vote. We don't know what we should be doing. If we should do our kids' bedroom or do another bathroom renovation. So we need you guys to vote and let us know. If you guys are on Instagram, go over there and let us know.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you next week.
Bye.